Hello friends and Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel Newiballdesigningdeveloper Designing Developer. My name is Inshal. I am a full stack developer and graphic designer. Today I will show you how to build an alarm clock project in Python. And I hope you will also enjoy this project. I will enjoy my previous project of Python. But first of all, you have to just hit the subscribe button. Then after that, you have to also enter notification bell from which you will be getting all the notifications of my video when I will be uploading. So from that, it will be also help for you and it will be also help for me, because from that you will be running more new things, more new project and more new clones which I will be uploading further on and in future, and I hope you will enjoy that and the previous one also which I have just already uploaded on my channel. So check that also and I hope you will be enjoy that also. Now today project is like alarm clock project. So for building that, first of all you have to go to your project of Python folder which you have just created. Then here you have to just create one file of Python. So here you have to just do one thing, press right click on your project, means your folder. Then I will be doing one thing, like I will be just going here and you can see that in the last there is written Python file. So I'll be pressing this Python file here. Now it will be asking the name of your Python file you can write, or if you want to write .py for saving that you can write. But here if you don't write .py and just write the name of your file and save it, so nothing happening, it will be saved into Python file, because here we are writing in a Python file name. So here I will be writing the name of like alarm. So here I'll be writing that. Now when you've done that, if you want to write .py you can write, but I will be not writing because it will be waste of time. Then press enter. And you can see this already exists here. If I just show you, so because of that it is not coming. You can see here it is. So here because of that it's not coming. Now if I just do one thing here, like if I create this file again, so press new, go to Python file here. Then if I write Python file name which we have to create, like I will be writing clock, press enter, you can see this file was here. So because of that it has been just created. Now for creating alarm clock, first of all you have to download some of the extension we write with the help of import tag. You have to just come here, but I will be not working with random. I am just showing you how to download here. So right here like pip install, who are just new here I'm telling for them, but I have just telling previously also, so you can check previous videos. So I'll be writing pip install. So when you've done that, you have to just write pip install when you are just downloading any package or library in Python. So here we have to write pip to just download that, or if you just work with React, so you have to write like, you can write here npm to install anything. You can write npm install, then you have to write your package or library name which you have to just install. Now till we have just installing random, so I'll be writing random pip install random, press enter. Then it will be just take some time. You can see it is just error giving because here I've just already downloaded this random, and you can see this satisfy the requirement, so because of that giving error. But if you don't have download, so you can just download that by writing that. So if I write pip install, and here we have to just install one thing also which is called date time. So this date time is a package or library, you can say, which help you to just import your date and time which you are working with. If you just working with any like date or time word, so here in alarm clock there should be like date and time word. So because of that I am importing that here, and we have to install that before importing. So I'll be pressing enter here, and you can see it is just updating this further. I have just already downloaded, but I have not update. So if you download and don't update, so we can just write it again and just update that by writing this. So here I'll be doing one thing, minimizing this terminal which I was just opening. Then here I will be coming and writing a tag which will be just import. Now we are just importing date time, like I'm telling you, because in alarm clock we have to set date and time here. So because of that I'm setting date and time with the help of import. Then I will be coming underneath here, writing alarm hour, and here I will be just coming forward. So this alarm hour define like in alarm there is hour and seconds and minute. So because of that, first of all we have to define hour, and we will be not defining like seconds, because seconds is not a main thing which we have to define in alarm clock. So here I'll be writing equal to, then here I'll be writing init. So this init tag used for like in numbers of mathematics when we done any mathematics work or anything like that. But you can also use in Grammarly, like I am using here with the help of input tag you can use. So here I will be now writing input, and in that I will be just coming here and writing here like the hour you want to wake up. Okay, so I'll be writing this because here user first of all write the hour which hour he want to wake up. Then he will be writing hour. Then we ask minute, which minute you want to wake up. Then here when it's give the answer, so it will be just asking you like you want to wake up at AM or PM. So you can write PM or AM, it's your choice here. Then when you've written that, then you can just see like excited, I will be writing in the last. So here with the help of that excited, when the time should be just means the time should be just like that which you have written in alarm hour and minute. So the print which I have just printed with the help of excited, it will be just appearing, but the alarm ring will be not just ring here, but it is just in Python we have to make alarm clock like that. So here write alarm, and I will be writing here like alarm minute now. So right here equal, then I'll be writing minute tag again, because like after telling you for grammarly use we have to use it with input tag. So here we have to use that here. So I'll be writing input underneath means in that. Then here I'll be writing the minute you want to wake up. So if I write that here, you have to do nothing, just write question mark here also, because this is a question which is asking here. So I'll be doing one thing, like I'll be coming underneath here again and writing here another thing which should be just like, first of all I will be doing one thing, I'll be pressing backspace here. Till here we have defined that all things. Now I will be coming here writing AM PM equal, and when you've done that all things, just I will be coming forward and here I will be writing like AM till PM. So when you've done that all, just I will be doing one thing, like first of all I will be raising that, then I will be coming here writing AM PM equal 1. So when you've done that, just you have to come here, press enter here, or you can do things like that. Okay, so I'll be doing one thing, like coming here writing input, and in that I will be writing AM PM, and here I will be just coming and writing a tag which should be just having like def, and I'll be writing AM PM. Then here you have to just do like that, press backspace here, because here we have to don't write any of the space. Then I'll be pressing enter. When you are just underneath that, you have to just write another thing which should be just like over here print, and here we have to just print excited. So here I'll be printing excited here. So when you've done with that thing, you have to do just nothing, save here by pressing save all button. So till here we have defined, and I hope you understand till here. So when you've done with that, so you have to do one thing, like here I will be just coming after that also. Then I will be just, you don't have to close that here, then I will be pressing backspace coming underneath, and here I'll be writing in this column like excited. So when you've done with that, just I will be doing one thing here, like if AM PM equal PM. Okay, so here I will be just coming, and here I will be raising that and writing if, and here I'll be writing AM PM equal to you have to write 2 equals. If you write 1, so it will be error giving. So here I'll be writing that, then I will be coming underneath also and writing here, like if I just show you in that, so you can see there is a like alarm hour equal alarm hour, because here we have to define alarm hour here, and here I'll be writing equal alarm hour, and then I will be just writing like plus 12. So when you've done with that all things, you have to do just one thing, like you have to just hit save all button, or say you can also save that, but I will be just hitting save all button here. So you can see now it is good. So when you've done with that thing, you have to do just nothing, you have to press that again, because here I was just debugging the problems. By pressing this, you can debugging your problems which you are having in your code, and your question and answer will be just coming with the help of that. So this is really good, you can just use that here. So I'll be doing one thing here, like when you've done with that, just I will be coming underneath here, and I will be here also coming underneath, and till here we have defined, and I hope you till here understand that. Here I will be just coming and writing while, and here I'll be writing 1 equal 1. You have to just write this colon, come underneath here and write another tag which should be just like, if I go here and you can see if alarm hour equal date time. So if I write if alarm hour equal date time, so take care about that. You should just having 2 equal to here, and it should also having just not any of the space, but here from here it should just having a space. So from that you can just work with that really good. So when you've done with that all thing, just I will be going forward, and you can see till here we have defined. Now I'll be writing like dot date time hour. Okay, so here we have done that, so I'll be writing dot now. So create dot now, and here I'll be just closing that by writing that. Go to here, and you can see till here we have defined. Now I will be coming forward and writing dot hour end. So here we have done that. So when you've done with that all, just I will be going here and writing here like alarm minute, because here we have to also define alarm minute here, so we can just work with that. Now here I will be writing equal date time here also, then I will be writing here like dot date time, and here I'll be writing dot date time dot now, and I will be just closing that. Then I'll be writing dot minute, and here when you've done with that all thing, just I'll be going here and it is good to go. So when you've done with that, I'll be coming here, writing print, and I'll be just writing here like lazy wake up. So here I'll be writing that. Now when you've done with that, just I'll be coming here and coming underneath here also, and you can see it is good. Then I will be writing like break. So when you've done with that all thing, just I will be doing one thing, like I'll be just hitting save here. So when you've done that all things, you have to also download some one extension here which we have to work with. Go to terminal, and then I will be just writing here like pip install, and here when you've done that, just I will be writing alarm, press enter. So you can see that it is just updating this. You can see, so it has been updated. You can see that. So here you can also install that by writing that. If I just write here now pip install break, this is a tag which we have defined here. So press enter, you can see it is now not install that, it's update that, and it is 2 KB, or you can see that it's just 3.1 KB. Because of that, it is just update really quickly. And if you just don't install that, so just install that here, because it's really useful package or library, you can say, which helps you to just run your alarm clock in that. Or you can also use this break tag and many of the other projects here. So we are using that in alarm clock. So now when you've done with that all things, you have to do just nothing, just you have to save, you have to hit save button. Now if I just show you by running that, you have to just run, and our file name was clock.py. So if I run, you can see this is asking like the hour you want to wake up. So I will be writing this 1 hour, because here I have to just want that 1, then the minute. So there's 35, I'll be writing like 1 minute after, like 36 I'll be writing. And you can see it is just, if I just come here now, press run and press this, now you can see it is again asking, so write 1, then again 36, and here you have to just write 36 here, because we have to just write 1 minute after. Then here I'll be writing AM or PM, so it is obviously PM, so I'll be writing PM here. Then you have to just wait till it is not working, then it will be just coming like excited, which I have just written in print tag. It will be just print after when we just time should be just here. So just you have to wait some of the seconds here. Okay, so you can see that now you have to just wait. Then when you've done, so it will be just working really quickly, and you can just work with it. So here you have to just wait, and you can see 55, 56, 57, 58, 59 and 36. You can see there is coming like wake up, lazy and excited, which we have written. So here if you just done with any of the time like AM, PM, so it will be just coming, and it is really useful for you also. Like if you don't have alarm clock, you can use that, but for that you have to just wake up and see. So why you use that here. So here just I am showing you for the example. You can also use with the help of ring here. You can add your own features and things like that, that it will be working off your own. So just now I hope you understand how to build one alarm clock project in Python, and I hope you also enjoyed this project like in my previous project of Python. So now I will be just meet you in next project.